So there friends, now we reached the Danao port, which will lead us to Camotes with my mom, with Francis, with Babu. Hello. We'll find ways. Inshallah. Ha? Alagay, resulta dire. Oo kay ba? Pila na pagpangutana. Exit man na. Oh, exit. Chalo. We are here now. I can see Grandpa, white Grandpa, wait. Yeah. We're here now at Camotes. Asan na siya? Dagan pa na siya dili. Jollibee. Welcome to Port of Danao. Let's eat, guys. Huh? Port of Danao. I think this is the Danao Church, if I'm not wrong. So we will now enter the Danao port. We will purchase ticket going to Camotes. Welcome to Port of Danao. So here we will purchase the ticket inside. Let's go. So I forgot where to purchase ticket. Let's just there are entrance. Here's the entrance section. So currently we are here now inside. We will purchase tickets here. Ticketing lounge. Okay. We purchase ticket now. It's very early. That's why there are less people in here. See, ticketing lounge. We'll enter here. Okay. See this Indian will face.
So slow, the ship is slow.
Right. Far from Camotes, and it's like 2 hours now. Yeah, the ship runs so slow. See, we're in the middle of the sea. Why? I don't know why the ship runs so slow. See, that's the Camotes Island. Here on the ship right now in Babu. Yeah, we are still here at the Camotes. No, not yet in Camotes. Maybe 20 minutes. Dear friends, we reached Camotes Island. Welcome to Camotes.
आगे भैया Camotes.
Hello. Now we're here Camotes, and it's raining. Welcome to Camotes, everyone.
I can smell the water.
Salamat, ma'am. Now we will find. Hello there, friends. We are here now at Lake Danao. See? Picture ng tamon dobi. Oy, Babo, Frances. 1, 2. Oh, kita sa ito ha. Adi, mandi pwede baliw ko ng kamera. Ikaw na lang usabi.
ये आपको ऊपर में zip line आपको दिख रहा होगा. मैं लेकिन ट्राई नहीं
करने वाला हूँ.
नहीं करना मुश्किल है.
Video mo na nimo. Video, pwede ba sa mag-picture mag-video? Uwan na po sa. Ano, maligo ata. Ato ko eh. Maligo. Kaya. Lig. Uwan, tugnaw kayo na.
बारिश बिल्कुल स्टार्ट
Ato ko eh.
कोई ज़्यादा नहीं है, कम है, इसमें मैनेज हो ही जाएगा. बस फोन को संभाल के रखना है.
It's raining.
Huwag lagi naligo dito.
Huwag lagi maligo. Hello po. We're here.
Ay ko ba?
Gamay sa kayo. Ato po, basak sa ta.
I will take photo of you. 1, 2. Koy. Ano kayo pang profile?
Nanilo to yung
Ah.
profile sa kuwan.
Para may way picture diri. Oh, picture ko. Kining gamay. Ayun lang pinpuha, kining gamay. Ayun na lang pinpuha.
Tama.
Ano?
Ulit mo.
Hindi mang hinawayo, no?
Ay, taba. Taba is chicken. Taba become taba. Ay, taba.
Sampay sa kuwan is dagat dito gino.
You tried this before?
Kato dito,
Never.
bot.
You will not.
First time.
You will not try again
My
because
first time.
you will not try again because it's very like chocolate.
You know, it's like
Tiring?
what is for this?
If you get tired, you can stop also. But if we will stop, there's a tendency this boat will collapse.
Oh, then
Bisa mo kung dili ni magdagan, murag mo ana ni.
Balance. Gawas to.
Kapoy. He's tired na. Francis is
not
not tired.
My legs
He's weak.
Ayun, this way.
Ano, nakaitat sila.
See those grandpa and grandma also.
That's okay. It is cancelled.
No,
You go bit back na. Go bit back.
nothing bad.
Bay ko man yung
Mau lagi sakit you? Do not use slipper, do not use slipper.
It was a tickly in my leg. I cannot use slipper.
See? Gilo ko no kayo.
Lahat yung kinatapa.
It's a you look itim here because it's a good
Light is falling. Hey, making me team. Solo, go back.
Ato na sa to. Let's go there.
No,
Asan yung
safe
buhok
lang,
ko
safe
dito?
lang. Be here, safe lang.
There na lang, there.
Ato na, kanang giputang buwan na siguro.
Na ato ta unsay na dito na.
Laom na na. Kanang giputang bula.
Tao mo ini daan dire. Yan ako na po.
See grandpa and grandma also.
Ay, go ba? So deep चला here.
Mana miday? Mana?
She's watching. Hey, come back.
Bawal! Sorry!
Bawal.
Sorry!
Bawal.
You're not allowed to go there because it's so deep.
Ma.
She said,
I have a crocodile.
there are crocodile there.
I have to go home. My mom is waiting.
Bakit tadi ya? Pakai crocodile ni apa?
Crocodile will eat my leg, my hand.
She said, come back. It's prohibited there. That place is prohibited.
Ini. Macam ingon, may bawal nito. Wala, spacing naman to.
Here. So you can see your sweet.
Area.
It's so hot in your place, Babu. Yeah. Humidity is too much. Not hot, but humidity.
Indiano said it's hot. No, it's my face, not yours.
Dambu.
Ako na papunta, papatas.
Jana be?
Basle, kropik, jok.
Mo ko nangutan.
Katong kinto.
Ay, Salvaro ba katubang kamuting kahoy? Gaan na kay ko di. Boy bayad sa kaunta ma'am. Taga Kimba man ko ma'am. Ako ma'am taga Tabunok. Two employees are from Talisay. Please here. I'm doing video.
Hello.